Hey guys, this is Neha Surethan from English Firm Paramata. So today in this session we are going to look into the tips on how to tackle the multiple choice, multiple answer questions in the reading module. So actually here you will get a paragraph and a question associated with it, and there will be multiple options to choose from. So rather than a single option, you will have multiple options that would be correct. So let's get down to the general facts related to this question. So here you will get 2 or 3 questions, and there will be 1 point assigned to each correct answer, and the ideal time is 2 minutes. So, and there is negative marking. This is a major difference between multiple choice, multiple answer and multiple choice, single answer. So only if you are 100% sure of the options, you should select it, or else you should skip the question, because it only contributes very few points to the reading part, as there are many more other important sections that you need to focus on if you want to maximize your score in the reading module. So the internal scores are only distributed to the reading part. This is an overview of this exercise. So first you will read the paragraph that you see in the test screen, and then you should try to understand the meaning, because it is very important that you understand the purpose of the text, what the text implies, what is the conclusion, what are the facts related to the passage, etc., so that you can choose the answer from the multiple options that you are given. And the last part is selecting the answer. So here actually you are tested on the ability to read an academic text for various purposes. That is, you are tested whether you are able to grasp the main idea behind the passage, or if you are able to look into the specific details, or if you are able to understand the writer's purpose, or assessing the quality of the text and usefulness of it. So make sure you practice a lot of questions, and then you can easily solve these questions. So there are different types of information that you can extract from the paragraph. The first one is the main idea behind the passage, that you can actually look for the topic sentence. So once you find that, you can actually know what the passage is about, or the main idea that it implies. And then is a supporting information, which means the keywords that are related to the topic, or you find multiple words that are in the passage, so that is the keyword, or it is the keyword on which the passage is written about. So you can look for that to find which of the options is correct. Or then you can look for the writer's purpose, that you can search for reasons or words indicating reasons. And then the last one is writer's opinion, where you can look at the concluding sentence, or you can search for a conclusion from the paragraph. The conclusion may not be written directly in the paragraph, but it can be conveyed through various ways. So just try to grasp these informations while you read the paragraph. Then it will be very much easier to choose the correct option. So this is a sample screen. Here you can see there is a paragraph given, and then there is a question following that. So there are few options, and you have to select some of the correct options from this. So the best way you can do is, you can first go through the options and then select which is the correct one by looking into the paragraph. This works most of the time, but there are many other ways also that you can easily tackle this exercise. So first of all, read the question. The question is very important. You should know what the question is, and you should know how the answer should be expected. So try to read the paragraph then accordingly, and try to look for keywords. Then you will easily find the option. If you are not sure about any option, please do not mark it, because it will have negative markings, and if you make any 2 options incorrect, you will get 0 points. So don't waste much time in this exercise, as it only contributes very few points to the reading module. So try to give as much, try to move on to the questions very quickly without giving much time to it. If you do not get an answer, or if you're not sure about an answer, just skip it and move on to the next question. So actually in this exercise there are many other tips also that you can follow, but if you get good practice, then you can easily score marks in this exercise. If you need any sort of help or mentor, you can always reach us out at englishfarm.com. Also, we provide free slots for all the one-on-one classes that we conduct. So please do book a slot at englishfirm.com. Or if you need any instructor to give you feedback or evaluate your speaking, writing, listening, and reading exercises, you can email us at mockpp@englishfirm.com. So thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next session.